Module 3. This module covers generic settings applicable throughout the company. We start by clicking on the right corner of the screen. You will now see a drop-down menu with multiple options. Let's start with Change Password. Enter your current password here, after which enter and re-enter the new password here. Click Change Password and you're done. Moving on to Leave Types. Select Add New Leave Type from the top right corner. Now enter the name of the leave and also whom it will be applicable for. You can decide if the leave can be carried forward to the next year, encashed if not taken, or granted without accumulation. Now enter the number of leaves enlisted in a year. If you are turning on the Grant for Accumulation option, select the criteria for it here. Accumulation Policy. Next comes Leave Eligibility, which indicates the number of days after which an employee will be eligible for this particular leave. Enter the reason and save the information. You can see the new leave added here. If you wish to discontinue this leave, simply open up the leave and turn off its status here. Moving on, we see how to add an ESI number. To add, go to New ESI number on the top right corner. Enter the 17-digit ESI number here, add a remark and click on Save. You can view the new addition here. If you want to edit the number later, you can simply edit it here. You can also turn off the status of any old or inactive numbers here. Similarly, we see how to add EPF numbers. To add, go to New EPF number on the top right corner. Enter the EPF number here, add a remark and save it. You can view the new addition here. If you want to edit the number later, you can simply edit it here and also turn off the status of any old or inactive numbers here. Finally, we come to loan names. To add, click on New Loan Name. Now enter the loan name and remarks. Again, you can simply edit and turn off its status from here. This brings us to the end of Module 3.